Oh, Mikey, my back hurts so much. Help!
Nick, what's wrong with your back?
I think I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I need help.
Well, I have an idea. You want to use this?
Mikey, what is this weird foamy cylinder?
First step is you put it down.
So you're saying if you put a cylinder on the ground, it'll help my back?
Nick, wait. Then sit right here and lay back.
And that's gonna help my back? I mean, I'll try it, I guess. Am I supposed to sit like this, Mikey?
Yup. Now lay down.
All right.
Nick, are you okay?